Hello, my name is Erli Megawati Borus Litonga. My student number is 71 2019 208. In life, I have experienced an event that really made me feel very down. So at the time, I want to continue to a test. I have prepared everything, starting from quiet a lot of money and also following the guidance. It took me 4 months to fight until I go to the test. But I go to the home with failure. I feel disappointed, hopeless with myself. I envy friends who made it. At the time of my guidance, I was finally sick and treated. No family came to visit because at the time my condition was far from my parents, and also the huge cost that would be faced if my family came to the city where I was mentoring. It's also what makes me feel really small. I feel that it is always troublesome, but not giving to success. Until when I came home about 2 months, I really didn't want to leave the house and just look myself in the room. I had the crowd, a lot of talk that came to me because I was unemployed for a year until my mental collapse. But at the point, an assessor came to home and gave me motivation. He said, "I see your effort instead of playing at you at the time, but maybe not luck yet. Remember, not only one place for success. There is still a lot. Study even seriously. Believe that no effort betrays the result. And add support from my parents, always at the front to support me. From there, I returned to be enthusiastic again and study even harder, and can be until now."
Okay, my friends, my name is Rico Fernando Siagian. My student number is 71 2019 200. What I can learn from this audio is that actually we are about like what they did, because we are only part our focus on the bottom of the problem that we face and not part our focus God or what they can do for us. But when we try to look and focus on God, not the problem or the battle that we face, He will make us understand that we are not alone. He never leaves us and never stop loving us. When we focus on Him, we will also find a new hope in Him, handy strength in Him to facing it all.
Hello, my name is Aksane Mamoli. My student number is 71 2019 222. The moment I feel agony or stress was when I am confronted with the problem in my house. They always blame me. I was confronted with even though I am doing nothing wrong. The real problem with another person being the object of wrath is that I am still emotionally depression, but I am just silent. Sometimes when the incident occur over and over again, my heart cries and feels sad. My parents consider me as an disobedient child who never learned to obey them as my parents, who don't want to hear them when they speak to me and not respond them will. But in another side, I try to respond them when they say something because I need their clarity, because I not feel I even done something wrong, why I need to be in the position. And at the moment I was relieved and given and new strength by God.
My name is Pungwan Gionto Gatorop. My student number 712,019,220. At that time, received bad news which put me down at the time. I got the news that my parents went bankrupt. When I received the bad news, I was devastated, and I did negative things like gambling and drinking alcohol, and I was very drunk almost every day. On that Sunday, my friend invited me to worship, and in my heart I didn't really want to, and in my mind I was definitely a sinful human, and God didn't want to forgive me. But my friend kept asking me and forced me to go to church, and I was forced to go to church. When I arrived at the door of the church, I left calm and my heart was at peace. Then I sat in a church pew. I left that God still gave me the best hope and forgives, and I really feel the God would give me the best way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.